There was once a student named Ayub. He always said, "I'll start tomorrow. I'll pray tomorrow. I'll study tomorrow." But tomorrow never came. One day, he went to his teacher and said, "Why do I feel my life has no barakah? I keep delaying everything." The teacher gave him a piece of ice and said, "Hold this tightly. Don't let it melt." Ayub tried, but drop by drop, the ice melted away. Within minutes, nothing was left in his hand. The teacher said, "This is your life. Even if you do nothing, it will keep melting away. Will you let it disappear uselessly, or will you use it for good before it's gone?" The Prophet peace be upon him also said, "There are two blessings which many people waste, health and free time." Ayub's eyes filled with tears. He realized his days were melting, just like the ice. From that day, he stopped delaying. He valued his time, praying, studying, helping others, before it could slip away. My brothers and sisters, our time is melting like ice in our hands. Don't waste it. Use it for Allah, and it will turn into eternal reward. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more reminder like these.